what this guy doing over there. What's up, you guys, man? Welcome back to the channel. So today I'm about to go ahead and get this paint code for this Dodge Charger, because if you guys know, the wide body kit is on its way. Okay, hold on, no copyright. So the wide body kit is on its way. I'm excited. Now, if you guys do order from Vicris, just know everything is going to be coming in like separate packages, because right now they sent the rocker panels, which is the side skirts of the wide body kit, and then they're going to send the front bumper, the rear bumper, and the fender flares separate. I believe that's going to be on a freight, so keep that in mind, you guys. You're going to be getting things separate. But yeah, I'm about to go down to the shop. They're gonna charge me about, I think, like 40 bucks for like I think I'm gonna get like a half a pint. I'm gonna get a half a pint to see how the color looks, okay? And the color looks good. I'm just gonna go ahead and get another half a pint. So this way is cheaper because I know how to paint. So the shop wanted to charge me about they wanted to charge me about $700–800, okay? $700 to $800 to paint the wide body kit. Now online they had the paint, like the paint code and all that from the factory for like $260. Now I'm not really too worried about it being like, it's gonna be like the factory paint code, like the mixture and all that. But obviously this is a 2015 Dodge Charger, so when I paint the wide body kit, it's gonna look like a damn 2023 with the fresh paint job. But I'm not really too much worried about that, only because it's getting wrapped, okay? So now when I take the wrap off in the future, the wide body matches. I can't do that black wide body kit and the car's painted a different color. Like, to me, I don't like that look. So let's go down, head down to the paint place and see what they're talking about, and see if it looks close to the Dodge Charger. All right, guys, so right now I'm at the store. So basically I'm gonna get a half a pint, and I'm gonna do the 2 rocker arms, which is the wide body 2 side skirts. So I'm gonna do those 2, see how the paint looks before I actually do the whole wide body kit. So it's always good to do that, okay? You might not get the exact match depending on how new or how old your paint is. If your paint is probably like, say 7–6 years old, it's not going to be the same as like buying it off the showroom floor. So keep that in mind as well. So I'm at GT Auto Paint and Supply. So if you are in Phoenix, Arizona, this is where I'm at. You know, a small little shop. So if you guys want to get some paint or anything, just come down, man. They'll get you right. So if anybody's wondering, this is my paint code for the Dodge Charger. It's Granite Crystal Metallic. So this is my paint code right here. So this is actually like the Dodge website where you can actually get your paint code, or you can get it off your vehicle. All right, you guys, so I went ahead and got the paint. I took my finger. Let's see, I can show you guys. I took my finger and pretty much just tapped it on the bumper just to see if it's like matched, and it's perfect. And it's perfect. I'm about to show you guys right now. I'm about to take this bumper out this vehicle because I'm about to get ready to sell it to this guy today. So let's go ahead and show you guys that you can literally, this cost me, well, the guy speaks Spanish, so I thought he said 25, but he said he would do it for me for 30. So that's still a steal, you know what I'm saying, to buy some paint for that cheap, especially to match your car. So you guys can see right here, you know, I bet you guys can't even tell where I dabbed at. So hold on, let me see how I can zoom in. You guys can't even tell, man. You guys can't even tell. So I'm about to just take this out real quick so that way I can do this in the sun so you guys can see. So as you guys can see right there, the only reason why you guys can even tell is because obviously it's just dabbed on there, but it literally matches. So obviously when you spray it evenly, it will blend right in. But to be honest, you can't even really tell. You really can't. So you can't even really tell. Like, the guy did a good job. This bumper's going bye-bye. You know what I'm saying? Sold it, you know what I'm saying, for $300, which is not bad. But I'm gonna get a piece, some paint, and I'm gonna put my finger right there just so you guys can see. Because sometimes it's hard. So like I said, my paint code is that's actually the store that I went to. So if you guys need to get some paint, everything's gonna be in the description down below. But if you guys need to get some paint, then that's what you gotta do. All right. So I'm about to just get like a little dab. Okay, just like that. I'm gonna put it. Let's do it right here again. So I'm just gonna dab it. So like as you guys can see, you know what I'm saying, it literally matches. Okay, I'm gonna take it off. I don't want it to dry, but it literally matches. That's what the paint looks like. But yeah, it literally matches. I'm happy. I'm gonna take you guys with me to go to Home Depot and get me a nice spray gun. You know what I'm saying? I seen one at Harbor Freight for like 20 bucks, but I think I'm gonna go with the one from Home Depot for like 80 bucks. But if you guys are looking for any fog lights that are like down there, DM me on Instagram. But I'm about to go ahead and put this back in the car. I'm at Home Depot, about to go ahead and get this spray gun and this compressor so we can get this project done. Only one of these. Alright guys, so right now I'm about to get one of these spray guns right here. So I'm about to get, I think, let me see. This one right here is this one's $94. And this one right here is $70. I'm just trying to feel this one right here. I love the way that this feels. Like it feels like stiff. So I might get this one right here. Let's see how that go. I don't know where it's at, but man, you guys help me find this joint, man. Oh, here you go. So here's the spray gun right here. Oh, it actually comes with the gauge. Yeah, it actually comes with the gauge. So this is the spray gun we gonna get. If you want to know, it's $94.98. All right, guys. So I had to actually get the fitting, which is this thing right here. I had to get one of these, so that way this part right here goes into the gun. So keep in mind it costs $4.98. So this is the setup that I got. So I got the hose kit. Then I got this, so it comes with already a cup. Y'all probably gonna be wondering why I got two, but this one right here is gonna be for the clear coat, and this one is gonna be for the paint. So I got this 8-gallon because obviously, you know, I don't really need that much because all I'm doing is like panels. But you know what I'm saying, down the line, I might just go ahead and upgrade to like a 20-gallon tank. All right, guys, so pretty much that's gonna wrap it up for this video. This right here is pretty much for people who never painted before. They wanna know how to set it up, what equipment to use, and all that stuff. So pretty much that's what I'm doing in my next video. I'm gonna be doing an unboxing, how to set it up. Because like I said, you guys, I am doing a wide body kit, so I am painting it to my factory color, which I'm gonna show you guys in this video on how it looks. But yeah, just make sure you guys stay tuned, and pretty much showing you guys that anybody can do it, okay? You just gotta be patient. You know, when it comes to painting, you have to be really precise. Don't rush it. Just take your time and you'll get good results. All right, guys, so here's the paint. So pretty much, as you guys can see, it matches. Now it looks thick, but you guys gotta also understand, you know, once you spray it and start laying it down, put even coats, it's gonna match up. So that's how it looks. You guys a close up. But that's pretty much gonna wrap it up for this video. Like I said, if you guys want to see an unboxing, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. Peace.